Hello people, Greg the Wild Hippie back once again. So yeah, build update number 3 on the SA22 Greyhound from Zvezda. So yeah, we're going to do, I think it's the 3rd page of instructions today, so let's go over the bench and have a look, shall we? Okay, so here we are. So we have done the a bulk of the interior and the sides of the cab and some of the underside as well, so that's all looking pretty good. In the first episode we built the engine, which again still needs to be lacquered and some weathering done on it, but I'll do that probably when I fit it to the chassis. So we've got the front of the cab windscreen fitted, and a little bit of detail painted on the front, and there's the windows for the side doors all masked up and outlined, ready to go. So let's have a look at the instructions. Where are we? Yeah, so we're on the stage 12. All these bits have been painted, ready to go. So yeah, little sub-assemblies first, and then we can start putting the dashboard together, and then obviously your doors, and then putting it all together. I won't be adding things like the windscreen wipers and the lights. I will add them at the very end once it's all painted up. So yeah, let's get on with it. Enough waffle, start building. Okay, so need to do the decals and the mark. I haven't put the door handles on. I'm going to leave the door handles until the very end, like we'll cut the other bits on the front as well. So right, so decals. Right, give me a minute and I'll get set up for decals. Right, this is going to be fun. Right, there's my decal solution, cotton bud. So let's have a go, shall we? that'll do, because you're not really going to be able to see that anyway, and maybe they'll flatten out a little bit as they dry. So yeah, give that a little while to set. Alright, put all the decal stuff away and I'll see you in a moment. Alright, so again the battery's running low, so we'll see how far we get with putting this together. So let's just crack on, shall we? That goes on like that. Well, that didn't last very long, did it? So yeah, I've got my trusty little battery pack. Let's clear the decks a little bit and yeah, get you. I really need to sort this desk out, but I can't be choosy. Right. There we go. You'll be glad to know I'm not wearing my dressing gown today. Right. Okay, so yeah, we've got the steering wheel on just about. It's not quite straight, but that'll do. Right, there we go. That is page 3 of the Destructions finished. Yeah, a few paint touch-ups here and there, but yeah, coming along nicely. So I hope you enjoyed that instalment. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one very soon. Take it easy, people.